How old is she now?
She's 12 weeks.
12
almost
weeks
3
old.
months old.
Almost 3 months.
She's eating.
Yes. She's eating. There's not much light in here, so it's kind of hard to see. Maybe you come in on her here. Let you see her. Hey, Kirsten. Huh. I knew she'd say Daddy first. Isn't she precious?
That's what she looks like without the bottle.
Yeah. She's a good baby, isn't she?
She's a sweet baby.
She don't want no nonsense though about filming. She wants to eat.
She's not fussing on it.
She's got her first cold right now.
Been to daycare 1 week.
Got her first cold. It's not too bad. Right now she doesn't seem like she's bothering her, but we gave her some Benadryl a little while ago. So I think maybe that's helping her some. You my little girl, yeah.
She's been a pretty good sport about being kind of sick.
She has.
She doesn't have any fever, so that's good.
No, it was, what was it, 99? Which is okay for a baby. We hadn't filmed her in a while, so we thought we might do some filming today. Looks like she's getting sleepy.
Yeah. Need a burp?
Need to sit up and burp a little bit. Burp for Daddy. Burp for Daddy. Come on. You can do it. That was a little one. You're making noises. You're making some noises. Blowing bubbles.
She does real good with her head, though.
Yeah. Look at her holding it up. Give us a good belt. A good big belt. Come on, you can do it. Maybe not. Maybe that one was good enough. She's hard to hold on to, isn't she? I'm trying to burp her. That's a good one.
Be careful, Mother.
She's very hungry. Review down the bottle here. This is what she sees while she's trying to eat. Woo woo hoo! Hey! Hey, Kirsten! Hey! This is what you see when you're trying to eat. And you look up at Mommy. Mommy, you see up Mommy's nose. Say, hey, Mommy.
Stop.
Hey, Daddy. Say, Dada. Dada. Say, Dada. I love you, Dada. Dada. There's my bottle.
Dada.
I like my bottle. It's good.
Baba.
Baba. There's Mama again. Hey, Mama.
Hey.
Okay. Says I don't have much light, so I don't know what this is looking like. She's still eating. We're gonna try to burp again. Aren't we? No, we're not gonna try to burp?
Oh, right now?
Yeah.
You gonna do a close-up of it?
Yeah, I can zoom in from here. I can get real close. Close as we want to get.
Close-up of the burp.
Let's hear a good burp. Work for Daddy. Come on. Put your Tigger bib on. You don't want to burp, do you? You just want to holler. It ain't working. Alright, we all wave bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay. It's still the same day. Next feeding. There's the bottle. There's the baby. Kirsten, this is what you used to do to us. Yeah, this is the way you used to be. Well, huh?
You don't want it. You don't understand.
Yeah.
You don't understand.
We don't. You gonna have to calm her down some? You gonna have to do the calming down thing with the
I
pacifier?
already tried that.
Really? That doesn't work either, huh?
For a few minutes.
Yeah. Think she's not hungry? Are you not hungry, Kirsten?
I wish she could tell us.
She can't tell us yet.
That's why we're so frustrated.
She can't say nothing.
We don't know what she wants.
Wah.
Maybe she can tell us one day
Maybe so.
what was wrong.
You're on candid camera. This is how you are. You're watching the camera, aren't you?
She's still kind of sick. You can hear her.
Yeah. Hope she isn't developing a fever. Does she feel hot to you?
She's sweating because she all worked out.
Yeah. Well, after she gets through eating later, we'll need to take her temperature again. Make sure she's not getting sicker. Okay, well, Daddy gotta go back.
Okay.
See you later.
Bye.
Very quiet. You sure are cute. What y'all do?
He's resting.
Did y'all have a good meal?
Hmm.
Did y'all have a good meal? Finally got her to take some.
Not much, but she's okay.
See you later.
Okay. Here's